Hi, beloveds. How are you? It's nighttime outside. I've got some really bad lighting here. Do you see? It's like dark. I normally don't shoot videos at night, but I had a lot on my mind right now, so I just wanted to share it with you. So, beloveds, I just want to talk to you about waiting to make your next career move. The longer you wait to make your next career move, the more money you are leaving on the table. I'm telling you, studies continue to show that as an employee, you will almost always get a higher raise by switching jobs versus staying where you are. And in the 18 plus years that I've been in the career consulting and HR and managing learning and all of that, the only times that I've saw where this didn't happen was where someone got an external job offer and they used it as leverage with their current employer, and their current employer was able and willing to match that raise. That was the only time where they were able to make that kind of money without actually leaving their job for another job. So besides that, make your career move now, or you will be costing yourself a lot of money. Okay. If your new job enables you, let's just say, to make an additional 5,000, 10,000 or more a year, every year you wait, you are just, tossing money. You're sitting on that money. This money compounds. So you're also losing out on any salary increase that you may have made on that additional 5K a year or additional 10K or more a year. And the higher salary that you can command in the future, So you're just losing those salary increases. And then this is another thing. We also know that it's not just all about money, okay? We know that if you want more flexibility in your work, if you want to enjoy your job more or enjoy the people at your job, get a better boss, the longer you wait, the more unhappy you will be. I'm telling you. So just do it. That compounds too. It's not money, but those are feelings. That's the emotional labor that you're doing just to tolerate and go into work with a smile on your face. That's serious. And I don't want to discount that by just talking about the money piece. The money piece is very important, but so is this emotional labor. That can devastate and emotionally bankrupt someone just as bad as the financial implication can happen. So both of them are very important. So just think about the time and the energy you put in with dealing with a bad job situation that you could instead put toward, living the life that you want. So think about this. But by waiting, you've actually made the decision. You think that, I'm not going to make a decision either way. No, when you wait on making your next career move or by getting the help that you need to make that career move, you've already made the decision. You've made the decision to not make that move. And that also means you're making the decision to leave this money on the table, to leave this happiness on the table. So I just want to share, recognize this. Recognize the consequences of failing to act on your dreams, for failing to get out of life what you're capable of getting out of life. All right, you all, be well and take action.